Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing warm tones for fall, and this is a Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette look, and this is look number 38. Yes, 38. I love this look and how it came out. It's warm, it's orange, it's beautiful, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it as well. Let's get started. So to get started, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids and the iHeart Revolution Peach Setting Powder under the eyes to catch any fallout. And of course we're taking the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and the first shade is in the first row, second to last shade, and it's this orange shade. And this is one of the deeper oranges in the palette. I'm taking this on a fluffy crease blending brush, and I'm going to use this brush for most of the look. I'm going to build this up in the crease and just press it and place it and do that technique, and then I'm going to sweep over the edges and kind of blend that, buff it out a little bit. Next shade is the shade right next to that one in the first row, the lighter peach. It's one of my favorite shades in the palette, by the way. And every time you see me tap off my brush into the camera like that, I'm letting you know that I picked up more eyeshadow. So I'll put that around the edges, don't blend. Next shade is from the second row, and it's the last shade. And it's like this dark burnt orange, almost brick red kind of shade. But it's on the borderline of that, but I would say more of a burnt orange shade. I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to use that to press that shade in the outer corner. I'm going to go over that a couple times, building it up. Not that it really needs it because it's super pigmented and it adheres to the eye really nicely. So I'm going to go in and blend, and ever so often when you see me kind of look down, I'm wiping my brush off on a towel, just so you know. And so I blend these, and I'm going to be taking this AOA Studio Venetian Romance Creamy Eyeshadow in Betrothed, and I just wanted a champagne shade for my lid, so I needed to bring in an additional shade. And I'm sure most of you have a champagne shade in your collection as well. So I'm going to take a flat shader brush and apply this to the lid. And I just kind of apply that, and then I kind of make a mock cut crease with it. And now I'm going to blend the other shades in with the lid shade so it doesn't look off-putting and not blended. So I'm going to just blend those pretty quickly and just keep going over the edges. And the next shade I'm picking up is the first row second shade, and it's this nice vanilla shade matte in the palette. I'm going to take that under my brow, first by pressing it, and then I'm kind of going to blend it and bring it down into the crease area a bit and blend it with the crease shades. And I'm going to take more of that peach shade, the lightest peach shade we used, and blend that right into there. So this Sinful color eyeshadow is from Dollar Tree, and it's in Proud, and I wanted something nice and shimmery up there, but that's not white. And I use that in my inner corner as well. So I use that as my highlight and the inner corner highlight as well. I'm going to wipe away fallout. And then I'm taking the orange shade, the first shade we put in the crease, and I'm using that on the lower lash line. And I'm not going to do too dark with that. I wanted a light covering. This is the AOA Studios Gel Eyeliner in Seize the Day. And this one is a off-brand nude eyeliner from Dollar General. And I'm using that. And then this is a Sephora mascara in LashCraft. And I'm going to do a couple coats of that on my lashes because I do not have time for lashes today. I have to get out of the house and go get Connor at school. So this is LaColors Lip Oil. I just popped that on the lips. It was in Honey Bun. And there is the look for today, look number 38, using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Maybe try to look out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Wet n Wild links.